They say a man could stop a bullet shot directly at him using only his teeth, and some even claim that someone actually did it on a show, catching the projectile in an incredible way. Was it just a trick, or is it really possible? The Mythbusters decided to test it experimentally. First, they assessed whether human teeth could withstand the impact. Tori got a denture made from a corpse. They fixed it in place to bite a stationary bullet. Then they used a steel pendulum to simulate the kinetic energy of a real gunshot. They dropped a 22-kilogram weight from 1 and 2 meters high. When the weight drove a nail into the bullet being bitten, the teeth only showed minor fractures, and the bullet didn't come loose. The premise seemed viable, but could a human react in time? They measured human reaction time by installing bulletproof glass in an open field. Subjects reacted to the sound of the shot. Carrie had the fastest reaction, closing her mouth in just 9 milliseconds, theoretically fast enough. Grant built a mechanical system to replicate the phenomenon with precision. On a 7.6 meters testing range, they placed a gun in front of a steel jaw. An electronic system would fire the weapon and simultaneously trigger a time delay to close the jaw at the exact moment the bullet passed through. They tested the system at a police shooting range. They fixed the gun in place to repeat the same trajectory. Grant programmed the jaw's delay. With everything ready, they pulled the trigger, but the jaw closed too early. The bullet hit the metal directly. They adjusted the delay, but the point of contact was too small to catch the bullet. They replaced the pincers with duckbill-like plates, drastically increasing the capture surface. This time, they managed to catch a lead bullet, but the friction heat melted it instantly. When testing with full metal bullets, the impact force shattered them completely. If someone ever tried to catch a bullet with their teeth, they'd end up with a bullet hole in their skull.